can fight me if you want to.
I love to get on. I love to get to one. When the drink be too strong, when the tree be way too strong. Get me to turn up, bro. Pour it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ready to go, come then, come on, come then. We can keep it lit, let's roll. I love to get to one. Let's roll.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Keishante Chantel, and you are tuned in to all the fabulousness. This is going to be the place to be, baby. Thank you for tuning in. So welcome to the makeup portion of this video. So we are going to be doing this flawless beat face, and yeah, we're gonna jump straight into it because I know if you're like me, you don't have time to waste. So let's get straight to the video. Okay, what's up guys? So I feel like not much has really been going on since we last spoke, outside of, gosh, what's been new? I don't know, not much. But I am using The Ordinary. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. I haven't used moisturizer in about 2 days, but yeah, this serum is I want my makeup to look very smooth and glowy. Surprisingly, this serum is not one of the ones that is like super greasy, so I love that for me. But I did want it to be tacky to where it could hold the makeup, and it's also not very sticky. So yeah. So I got this foundation a while back. It's actually a it is a Matte Cosmetics Hyper Real foundation, and so it has like this really rosy glow kind of look to it. So I'm just gonna, I didn't want to put my hands all in it, even though my hands are clean. But I'm just gonna take that and rub it all over the face. As you can see, for it to be considered a foundation, there's not a whole lot of coverage. I'm gonna get back to my roots. I'm gonna be using the NARS Cosmetic Foundation. This shade is Tahoe. So I pump a little bit of that on the back of my hand. Start off by applying this all over the skin. This foundation is bomb.com. If you are not using it, if you have not heard of it, I don't know where you've been, what rock you living under, but honey, this is one that you need. This is one that you need in your collection. The brush that I'm using is the E63 by Morphe, their foundation brush. So boom, this is the coverage that it gives. You can go heavier, you can add a powder. I don't necessarily like set, I mean, not a lot of people set their foundation with powders anymore. And I mean, that's okay if you still do. There's no right or wrong answer to that. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go with my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey. Everybody does their concealer so differently now that there's these TikTok trends that have, you know, come about. And then I'm gonna use my Too Faced. This is the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Golden Beige. So I just wanted a darker concealer just to balance that out. So I'm just gonna blend this in with a beauty blender. I'm not exactly sure where I got this beauty blender from, but I will say I do not need to buy any more because this shit feels like a Cadbury egg. Like, it is hard as hell. Don't y'all hate when y'all looking for something and it is like literally, if it was a snake it would have bit me? So I'm using my Lord Mercier under eye. Well, it's not under eye, it's a setting powder, but I pretty much only use this under the eye. So I'm so ready for the fall. So ready for the fall. Like, I can't wait to bust out my Doc Martens and my winter coats and all that. Like, I like the summer, don't get me wrong. Like, I don't have a summer body just yet to where I could fully wild out, but I do like the summertime. But the winter and the fall, those are my favorite. Well, technically the fall is my favorite season because I was born in the fall. But baby, all that cold weather, that's on me. I love it. Because I just feel like you can just dress up a jacket. Like, I love wearing hats, like fedoras and stuff like that. It makes sense to me wearing a fedora and a baseball cap and all that stuff with your extensions or your long hair, whatever. It just, I love it. And then I love the different smells, like the cranberry and the apple and all that. There's, I don't know why, but like, I guess I know it's because of COVID. Everything is because of COVID. But there's literally no good movies out. I remember during the winter time, there used to be like so many good movies coming out, and there's like literally nothing coming out that I am just overly excited to see. Okay, so I've been healing really good, especially since like my surgery. Like, my scar is starting to just kind of, the color is starting to fill in, and I got my voice back. Just a little bit. And if I start talking a lot, it goes away. I went from, my sister said I sounded like James Charles to I sounded like Marge Simpson. No. Oh. Now they're saying I sound like the cookie from Shrek. You're a monster. So y'all see where my support system is. So I don't know if you've got, I don't know what brow products that y'all use, but like, I'm not gonna say growing up, because like a lot of this stuff wasn't out when I was growing up. This is the Morphe. This is their brow pomade, and the color that I'm using is Cold Brew. You know, but for my girls that's on a budget that still want something that's gonna be the equivalent, or should I say a dupe, but still good quality, this is it. The palette that we're going to be using in this tutorial is the Morphe. This is the 3503 palette. If this doesn't scream fall vibes, I don't know what else does. So this is one of my most favorite cherished palettes that I have to this date, just because the colors are amazing. So we're just gonna jump straight into like doing the makeup and just So I'm going in with these lashes. I got these off of Amazon. I will put the link below so that you guys can pick them up. They're so gorgeous. So let's do that now. I'm going to be using the Monsieur Big. This is my favorite mascara. I've not found anything else outside of this mascara that is bomb.com. You can fight me if you want to, but this mascara is the bomb. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the lashes. Like, these lashes are popping. If you see me using hair glue for my lashes, mind your business, because that's my business and you in it. And yeah. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX pencil. This is their lip pencil in the shade brown. Alright, so I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade On Mute. And I'm going to go back over that with my lip liner. I feel like if you do that step when your lips is still wet, by the time that it starts drying, it still looks really good. So now I'm just going to go in with some setting spray. Alright, and I picked up this brush a while ago. This is from Zoeva. This is the 132 Luxe brush. And I'm going to use the Ofra Cosmetics. This is the Nikki Tutorials Glow Goals. And then I'm going to put some mascara underneath. So this is basically going to be it for the makeup part of this look. I am so happy for you guys that made it this far. Thank you for tuning in, sticking it out, thugging it out with me. We are going to jump straight into the hair, but that is going to be for part 2. So definitely tune into my next video, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.